Watch your head. Oh, nice. Hi. Can you curl now? Hey, Jake, what are you doing? Kane?
I got a bar.
We've all got colds today. Everybody's got a cold.
Look, look, look.
What are you doing? Hi. Where's the baby? Come on, play peekaboo. Where's the baby, Kane? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Kane, peekaboo.
Mommy? Mommy,
Yeah.
what's there? What's there?
I can't look anywhere right now, Jake. Except through the lens. Where's the baby? There he is!
Kane goes.
No, Jake. Where's the baby? Kane.
Kane.
Ah, peekaboo.
Hi, Kane.
Jake,
Hi,
be careful. Jacob. Woo, hi, Kane. Jake, no, wait. Let him do it himself. Come on, he'll do it himself now. Kane. Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Kane.
Come on.
You want a cup of treating, please? Hold on, big girl.
It's Uncle Tut. There he is. I'm recording Kane. There he goes, he's played it. Ooh, peekaboo, there he is. Kane, where's the baby?
You and Jake.
Kane. Oh, no, team. Kane. Kane, what are you doing? Hey. Kane. What are you doing? Huh? Get out of the dishwasher. Kane. Hey. What do you think you're doing? No. No. Hey. Not gonna do anything special or what?
What up, big girl? Come on.
Here goes the blanket.
Come on.
Oh,
Come on.
I thought you were on it.
Jake. You watch the movie. Huh. doing?
You're not gonna get it. No. No. Okay, I'm gonna put. Trying to get that shadow there.
There you go.
What's that, Kate? What's that? Yeah. It's Friday the 13th and there's an X on the wall. Kate. Whoa. You almost moved your noggin. Now what are you gonna do? Kate? Can you do that? You cutting more teeth, eh? Look at the drool. Drool boy.
Hi, buddy.
Get out of town. Hey. No, you thought you got me there, eh? No way. Get out of there. You're too funny. Oh yeah, you're gonna fall back. Kate.
Do it. Do it. Go. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
He sees mommy
Where
with
you
the
going?
camera.
You little ham.
You're a ham. Big ham.
Hi, Kate. Come on, do it.
Think you know what's evening, you know?
No, you're bugging me.
Okay, look.
Little twit. Where's my tongue?
Oh, Connie. Jesus.
Look at me. Do it and go zoom. Go zoom
What
around.
the
Cheryl!
Hey, good boy!
That kid enjoyed his bath or what?
Okay.
What's that?
Booger.
Oh, now it's floating around in there.
No, it's too much. Hey, is that it? Yeah, okay, Mom.
Look, Kane. Kane, look, look. Look it.
Jake, pull your sleeves up.
Are you getting this?
Yeah,
Look, Kane. Look, look, look. Look it. Look, Kane. Look.
just pour it.
Kane. Look. Look it. I want him to get looking up to him. That was funny when he laid and fell right back.
I got that on video too. Hi! Oh, that was cute.
Look at having a great little done. Watch it.
He's gonna try, he tries to get up.
Oh. Get wet, Taylor. You're getting all wet. Yes, you are. Splash, Kate. Splash. Splash. Splash, splash. Splash. That's a boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Kate. It's gotta be this is in this
Oh, I know.
No. I'm getting like soaking wet here.
Are you talking to the sandbox? Or, I'm sorry, toy box. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you saying? Oh, you're mad now. You're so happy. Hey. Well, what are you doing? Kane, sit down. Sit. What, you can't get down by yourself? Hey? You're exactly 9 months old today. Mom? Mom, 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 mom? Yeah, mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Kane. Kane. No. No. Okay. What are you doing, Kane, to that bowl? Oh, how'd that open? That thing absolutely drives me crazy.
What?
What's he say? Ugh.
What? What? What did he say?
I don't know, roll her over or something?
Did you say roll over?
Yeah, I think so.
Did he say roll over?
Yep, I think we have company coming up. There he is. Speed, baby. Oh,
Well, I don't know how to get this fur on the feet, Connie. Now you playing with yourself again. Look at the size of it.
That's no fair. This is bigger than mine.
Well, that's what they call a big dick. Which is what your thing now, Del.
That's better anyways. It just doesn't. Yeah, because if it's on to your leg tires, then you got to go where they can. I won't get your tit, honest.
Yeah, right.
here, first, do this chin up, will you?
I gotta do the best head, though.
God, dog, I got hair on my face or something.
We want to see who has the best head. Hair up the nose, eh?
Who
Do you want
does
to
what?
trick it out with that?
Holy shit.
Oh, no, maybe I need a mouth stretch.
Oh!
Ah, she stuck herself. Must have been a small
Geez, I hope you don't hurt it, Cheryl.
No, I mean it. Stop it.
Stuff it.
Yeah, I gotta find. God, I gotta get this hair off my face. Stop it.